Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Joel and welcome to Kilojoules. And for today's video, we are talking about my work from home setup back here. Ta-da! Particularly one of the more important parts. I call it parts. One of the more important things I got for myself with this work from home setup. So let's get going. So if you are fortunate enough to be working from home safely away from the virus, from the threat of the virus, then you must get one of these babies. Now I'm talking about this right here. Ta-da! Alright, so this product actually does not have a name. I kid you not. Let me pull my phone. I got this particular product from Shopee. Yes, salamat Shopee. I love Shopee over Lazada for a lot of reasons, but that's for a different topic altogether, different video altogether. This is called the USB wireless keyboard ergonomic chocolate full size 2.4 gigahertz office using full size ultra slim size something. Alright, it's a mouthful. So here is the Shopee page for your reference, and as you guys can see on there, it comes in different options and different pricing. It starts at 1,173 Philippine pesos to 1,481 Philippine pesos, and I got the most expensive. Come on, it's small things, charot. No, so I got the reason as to why. Now I feel compelled to explain myself. The reason as to why I got the 1,481 Philippine peso model is because it's fully rechargeable. One of the things that I appreciate about this, and by the way, I forgot to mention this earlier, I've been using this keyboard for almost a year now. I really made sure that I test it out before I yap in front of the camera and recommend this product to you guys. So for starters, yes, it's fully rechargeable. I'm not sure how the camera is gonna make this work. Alright, here you go. Here you go, camera. Eat it! Just kidding. So it charges via, oh there you go. It charges via this USB port. I forget what you call the first edition. The old school USB, not the non-USB-C kind of USB port. I don't know. I'm not really a techie person, so bye guys, bye. Alright, so second reason, oh by the way, before we go to the second reason, it also comes with this wonderful optical mouse right here. Okay, so this too is rechargeable using the exact same cable, the non-USB-C USB cable. Both of them have an on and off button at the bottom. As you can see, I've been using this for almost a year now, so medyo gasgas na siya. Oh, you know what? Why don't I turn it on? There you go. You're gonna be able to tell if it's turned on if it starts blinking that way. And oh, you know, I'm not prepared at all for this video. The 2.4 gigahertz receiver should come here. It's now plugged into the laptop, so I'm not gonna try and pull it out anymore. But you know what? Why don't I do that? Struggle is real. There you go. So this is the connector. I feel compelled to show this to you guys, especially for the non-techie people like me. There you go. Okay, and it goes here. Ta-da! It goes in there, so you don't lose it. Unfortunately, I threw the box away, so I won't be able to show you guys that anymore. So first reason, again, is it's rechargeable. Second reason as to why I got myself this. You know what? This should have been the first reason in the first place. Another reason as to why I got this full-size keyboard is because I just need it in my life. No, just kidding. But yes, not kidding. I find that I am more productive typing on a full-size keyboard like I do in the office. Yes, we have this office laptop. This HP Elite Book, I don't know what model it is, has a pretty awesome keyboard to be fair, but nothing beats like full-size keyboard. Aside from it being full-size, what I like about it is that it has the function keys. It has function keys. For starters, it has print screen, which I need a lot of the time. when I'm taking group photos via Zoom. You guys know what I'm talking about. Scroll lock, pause, break. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna come closer. There you go. These are the function buttons, and I love that it has the inverted C arrow keys, which I find absolutely helpful, and that they're not part of the main keyboard. Alright, the function keys are up there, of course. And over here, not only do you get like a number pad, you get extra functionalities like the play pause button for when you're playing media in the background. This is the volume up. Oh, you know what? This is to reduce the volume, minus volume down. This is the mute button for the multimedia audio, whatever it is that you're playing in the background, and of course the volume up button right here. The only complaint I have, you know what, we'll reserve the complaints for later. I love that it also comes with this calculator button. So the minute I need to calculate something, because I'm really bad with math, I just press this and the calculator pops up. And by the way, this also works with my MacBook. Pretty useful. That's pretty much it for the special features. Alright. Now, another consideration that I had when I was looking for a keyboard, aside from it needs to be wireless, is how it looks like. Obviously, when it looks nice, like it looks good, you know, you feel more encouraged to work. Yes, I'm that type of person. And what I like about this keyboard is it looks quite like that of like Apple's Magic Keyboard, which is also expensive. I think the Magic Keyboard, of course I checked it out, the Magic Keyboard retails for around 7,000 plus something pesos. I already forget how much exactly it costs because I can't afford it anyway, so you need to forget things that you cannot afford. Plus it does not come with the mouse, like you have to buy the Magic Mouse separately, and those work better with a Mac. And while I have a MacBook, I don't use it for work, and you guys get the gist. Yeah? Do you guys get the gist? Do I need to? Alright. Okay, so moving on. What else do I like? Oh! This home button right here works with Apple. You guys see it? You see the house button right there. But when you press that, when you have it connected with a Windows PC laptop or what have you, it simply opens up a new Google browser. I don't know if that's configurable to something else, but what do I know? I just work on Excel sheets and presentations and what have you. Okay, you know what? I have another reason as to why I chose this, aside from it looking absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and like the tactile, like the key travel. Here's a test of how it sounds like. I'm not a tech, YouTuber, so, but seriously, I'm gonna try to film another video, but trust me, it's not so bad for its price. Now, the only things that I do not necessarily appreciate about this keyboard is, number one, it's not a Bluetooth keyboard. Obviously, you need that 2.4 gigahertz, where is it? Receiver to be plugged into your computer, your Mac, for it to work. And to be honest, like Bluetooth keyboards are so much more expensive, so I'm pretty okay with this. If you think about it, make your mind up, Joe. And the mouse is so-so. To be fair, I would pick. Alright, this is we're done. Cancelled. I was supposed to get a different, mouse, but we need to save money. Look at how much you've already spent on this setup. Oh, you know what? I would have loved the keyboard to have like the right click button that I'm so used to. Like when I want to right click, and I'm a big keyboard shortcut person when I work on Excel sheets and what have you, it doesn't have it like the other keyboards would have. So that's one complaint that I have. And last complaint that I have, last opportunity for this keyboard is that mute button right there for the volume, I'm here over here. This should not be here. I mean, I'm so used to like volume down, volume up, then you cancel the mute, but not, you know, the mute button being in between the volume down, volume up buttons. I'm just a complainer like that, but again, it's not so bad. So overall, this is worth buying, guys, if you're looking for a wireless keyboard and a mouse that looks awesome, that's minimalist, to be fair, that has function keys and the number pad for, you know, for Excel people over there. This is the keyboard to get. Highly recommended. One last note, it took a while for the seller to ship this out, and I was very anxious. I'm always anxious. I'm always that excited about that to get, you know, the package. So it took a while for it to be shipped, but when it got here, it is perfect. Oh, I promise this is the last note. So in terms of like battery longevity, I'm not sure, like how long the battery lasts per charge. I charge this once every month and a half, once every 2 months, and mind you, I work every single day, even on weekends, so not so bad. I don't know the capacity of the batteries that are in here, but trust me, they last quite long. Okay, that's it, you guys. If you like our video, if you find our video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question around this baby right here, please comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll leave the link to the Shopee store for this down below. And if you have not yet, please consider subscribing because we will be putting out a lot more videos around our work from home setup, among other things. And speaking of which, take a look at the work from home setup. Let me know, guys, in the comment down below, which of these items back here do you want me to feature next? Are we talking about the computer, monitor, and laptop mount stand that I got just a few weeks ago, or are we talking about that webcam, which is a really good find, to be fair? Are we talking about Mi products? I got the Mi smart speaker and the Mi smart clock right here. We're talking about the 27-inch monitor. We're talking about the monitor light right there, or I don't know. Take your pick. Or do you want to talk about my coffee? Alright, so comment down below and I will see you guys in the next video. This has been Joel Zamora. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until the next video. Peace out! You're not supposed to do that. You're an adult.